Everyone, welcome to my class. I am here with my new topic, that is division of fractions. Okay, so let's start doing this. So our sum is 3 1 by 4 divided by 13 by 8. Okay, so firstly what we have to do, we have to convert this fraction into improper. So 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 divide by 13 by 8. Okay, now the next process in division, just copy this one, 13 by 4. This multiplication will change to, this division will change to multiplication. Okay, and this right hand side fraction will be reciprocal. So now change this 8 by 13. Okay, always remember this. Okay, now just cut this. So 13 and 9. So 13 1 is 13, 13 1 is 13, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 are 8. Clear? So our answer is 2. As you can see, 2 1 is 2 and 1 1 is 2. Means 2 by 1 equals to 2 is our answer. Okay? Now, let's do the next one. That is 5 1 by 7 divided by 36. So 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So 36 by 7 divided by 36. As if we don't have denominator, just write it down. Just write 1 over here. Clear? Now, write this one, 36 by 7. Division will change to multiplication, and this part will be reciprocal. Means this will be 36 by 1 will change into 1 by 36. Clear? Now you can see the numbers are divisible. So 36 1 is 36, 36 1 is 36, and none of the number is divisible. Okay, so our answer is 1 1 is 1, 7 1 is 7. So 1 by 7 is our answer. Okay, now let's do the next one. So our next sum is 169 by 1 to 1 and then divided by 26 by 33. Clear? So just write it down, 169 by 121. Now this division sign will change to multiplication, and this will be reciprocal. Means 33 will be the numerator and 26 will be the denominator. Okay, now cut this. As you can see, this is divisible. 11 3s are 33. 11 1 is 11. 11 1 is 11. Means 11 11s are 121. Now 13 2s are 26 and 13 13s are 169. Okay, now the numbers are not divisible by each other, just multiply it. So 13 3s are 39 by 11 2 are 22. Okay, now change this into improper. So when you will change into improper, 21 1 is 21, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 170 by 22. Okay, 117 by 20. This is our answer. Okay, now let's do the next one. Nine by 25. So 9 by 25. Division will change to multiplication, and then 125 will be reciprocal by like 72. Okay, now as you can see, this is divisible. So 9 1 is 9, 9 8 is 72, 25 1 is 25, 25 5 are. Okay, so our answer is 5 by 8. And this is proper fraction, as if denominator is bigger than numerator, so it will remain as same, and this is it will be our answer. Okay, now let's do the next one. Okay, so next sum is 25 by 26. So just write 25 by 26, and this division will change to multiplication. Now reciprocal this 13 by 5. Okay, now 13 by 5. So Our answer now, cut this. As you can see, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 are 26, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 are 25. Now none of the numbers are divisible, so just write it down. So 5 by 2, and you can see that 5 by 2, this is improper fraction, so change into mixed. 2 2 or 4, 1, so our answer is 2 1 by 2. Okay, now our next one is 75 by 46 and divided by 15 by 23. So just write it down, 75 by 46. And now change this division sign into multiplication and it will be reciprocal. So 23 by 15. Now cut the numbers. 23 1 is 23, 23 2 are 46, 15 1 is 15, 15 5 are 72. So what we got? We got 5 by 2. And you can see this is improper in nature, so just divide this. 2 2 are 4, 1. So 2 1 by 2. So this will be our answer. Okay, so 2 remainder will go up and then this 2 will come down. So this is our answer. Okay, so I hope this division is all clear to you. In next video I will come with a new topic and that will be surely helpful to you. Till then, stay connected with us. Thank you so much.